So this is going to be video 1 in our muzzle conditioning series. I first want to state that muzzles really are not only used for dogs who have a bite history or have shown aggression. There are plenty of people out there that use muzzles to prevent their dog from eating unwanted items on walks or in the backyard. Some people use muzzles during a particular sport as part of the routine. But I would say one of the most common times that we condition muzzles here at the facility is so that a dog can be prevented from showing aggression or biting a handler who is trying to perform some sort of grooming or medical or handling task with them. And really, we should be taking our time to make sure that a dog is comfortable with the situation, watching their body language, performing conditioning exercises so that they are accepting of whatever we're doing, such as nail trimming, brushing, etc. However, it does make everybody feel a lot better if the dog can be muzzled so that the handler can take their time and practice appropriately without feeling rushed or nervous. So today we're going to introduce Monk here to this muzzle, and he's never been exposed to a muzzle really before. I'm going to get his attention and present the muzzle to him. Yes. And I'm going to mark and reward him for showing any interest in this muzzle in the beginning. I'm going to kind of turn sideways so you can see what he's doing as far as exploring goes. So when I present the muzzle, let's wait for him to pay attention. Yes. He's kind of sniffing at the entrance of the muzzle, and I'm going to reward him for that. I am rewarding after, yes. Marking during and rewarding after so that he's not feeling like he has to be bribed in order to put his face into the muzzle. However, I do want him to be rewarded for the process, and I do want him to have that good association with putting his face in here. Hi, buddy. So this is a little bit more like a capturing exercise. Yes. Any sniffing, licking, even sometimes mouthing at in the beginning, I will take. Just any interest in the muzzle at all is something that I'm looking for our very first step. Okay, so I'm going to present the muzzle to him. Yes, good boy. And then I'm actually bringing the reward close to the entrance, but still after he's done some exploration of the muzzle. Yes, good boy. Now he's chewing on it instead of putting his nose in. Yes. And he had previously been putting his nose in, so you saw me wait an extra second there. And that's because I think he could do a little bit better, and he did. After I waited an extra 1 Mississippi, he stuck his nose in the muzzle anyway to try and figure out what it was that was getting the reward. So that's wonderful and something that you can absolutely do once you feel like your dog has shown you some good repetitions and then maybe is giving you a crummy one, is just wait a little bit longer. You gonna bite me? Yes, good boy. Let's do a couple more. Yes, excellent boy. Yes, wonderful. So that is our very, very first step, and something that you'll practice maybe for several sessions before you move on to the next in our muzzle training series.